Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up a game with 30 queens on chess.com, so let's get right into it. As far as I can tell, 30 queens is basically an experiment that Gotham Chess did in which he gave the bot opponent 30 queens to play with, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now, what you're going to do when you're on the main page is go over into the Learn section, go into Analysis, and from here you can set up your board in any way you want. Now, as you can see, what you need to do is click Setup Position, and from here you can set up the 30 queens. You can set them up in whichever order you want. You can set up as many as you want, of any color that you want, for any player that you want. It really doesn't matter, except the king needs to be present. And you can set it up however you want. And that is basically it. You just add 30 of them. Now, as far as I can tell, this is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15, so just add however many you would like. This is 8 more, that's gonna be 23, and then just add 7 more in whichever layout you want. And that is pretty much how you get your 30 queens game. And then from there, you can just click on load, and then you can start playing. However, this is, I'm pretty sure, just for PvP, or you can play it yourself. You can't really enable a bot. As far as I know, you might be able to. I'm not 100% sure, but this is pretty much how you set up a 30 queens game. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.